Okay, so in this video, how to add a lock to your Netflix profile. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, so to do this, just go into your profile. And make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, now go up to the top right corner, hover over your profile image, go down and click on this one, Account. Under Account, we're gonna go all the way down to this one, Profile and Parental Controls. Choose the profile you want to add a lock on. So I'm gonna choose this one. Click on the arrow next to your profile. Now go down to this one, Profile Lock. Click on Change. Profile Lock. Now enter your Netflix account password. Click on Continue. So lock this profile by creating a 4-digit PIN. So just check this one, and now you can choose your secret password. I'm just gonna choose 1234. After that, just click on Save. So profile locked, saved. Alright, so if you like this video, please subscribe for more of these videos. And also comment below if this worked for you. And also check out my latest video right here in the top right corner. Have an awesome day, take care and bye.